next topic, that is male reproductive system. Okay, so mm, the male gamete, that is sperm. We have discussed later also that the male gamete is the sperm which are produced within the male reproductive system, and the reproduction in human being involves the fusion of male and female gamete produced in their reproductive system. The male reproductive system is different from female reproductive system both in structure and function. Since both male and female are different, so their reproductive system are also different, and they are having different structure and they are having different function. So we will see that the male reproductive system consists of different parts, that is testis, okay, testis, scrotum, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, and prostate gland. These are the parts which are in male reproductive system and they perform different function. So we will see the structure of this male reproductive system, and with that, in that only we will see the what is the function of that particular part. Okay, so we will see the structure and the function of different parts. So first we will see here testes. Okay, that is first is testis. So what is testis? It is oval shape. Okay, we can see here the shape also oval shape, and they lie in abdominal cavity. Okay, so location is where it lie in the abdominal cavity, and it is oval shape, and they are in pair. Okay, they are in pair. There are two testes, and the function of testis is that it is responsible for the production of sperm and male sex hormone called testosterone. We have discussed testosterone. What is testosterone? It is the male sex hormone. So that function of testis is that it is responsible for the production of sperm also and male sex hormone, that is called testosterone. Then second is scrotum. Scrotum is what? It is a small muscular pouch like structure, okay, outside abdominal cavity. It is outside abdominal cavity and it is a pouch like structure, okay, and the function of this is what? It which maintain temperature for the production of sperm. Okay, so where sperm is produced? It is produced in the testis, and the function of testis is that it maintain the temperature for the production of sperm. Okay, because for sperm there is particular temperature, appropriate temperature for the production. Okay, because it is produced by it because it requires lower body temperature than the temperature inside body, because where the sperm is produced the temperature is lower than the normal body temperature. Then the third is epididymis. Epididymis is what? The sperm formed in testes. Okay, the sperm formed in testes are stored in a tube called epididymis. Here sperm is stored, which is tube like. Okay, then fourth is vas deferens. Vas deferens is what? From epididymis the sperm get matured and pass through the muscular tube called vas deferens. This is the function of vas deferens. Next is fifth, that is seminal vesicle and prostate gland. These are the accessory glands which are present here. What they are? They separate glandular structure together, and their secretion is known as semen or ejaculatory fluid. Okay, so here it is known as semen or ejaculatory fluid. And last is that urethra. Urethra is it is a common passage for both urine and sperm. So urine and sperm both are released from the urethra only. Okay, so these are the different parts of male reproductive system, their structure and the function. It is important for exam also. Okay, 5 marks question is compulsory whether male reproductive system comes or whether female reproductive system comes, to draw the structure. So you should practice this diagram also. Okay, thank you.